What is up? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Sean with 8-Bit, and it is the final countdown. We have our last bag that we have to do, and then this bad boy is finished. Lego build number, what's the number? 71. What's the number on here? 71374 is gonna be done. But we have a special treat for you guys, so stay tuned.
I had the idea of you going in the middle.
Starting.
I
don't want to build.
I want to run in.
You just.
Quiet, Mom.
Sit down over there.
I want to post
Let me get a picture of
She
you.
said to
But I wanna
post
pop
it.
in.
We were going to be working on this.
Because you're too loud.
Pictures?
that's why.
Okay.
Just-
okay, that's what.
Yeah, hold on.
Oh wait,
Thumb
don't we
out.
need a bag for this?
No, one with the antenna.
But we're gonna do that, okay, Dad? Okay, I'm gonna practice. Hey, what's up, guys? Ryan Bros here.
There's N2 nay.
And I have Connor with it. And
No.
On a B, there's N2 nay.
Okay, ready?
And
Hey, what's up,
am
guys?
Ryan
Ryan Bros here. Connor, you gonna say your thing?
Yeah, Mario.
No.
You get it? Because Mario Bros.
Yeah.
Can I go? Can I go?
I'm going me. I never said his name yet. I'm Liam. This is Connor. And this is Harrison.
Bang bang.
You copied me.
No, you have to go like this. Bang, bang.
You copied
Okay.
me.
This, I'm Liam. This is Connor.
Yeah.
And this is Harrison.
Bang bang.
Today we will be working on build 21.
Bang, bang.
And then we will be done with the whole, like, Nintendo Entertainment System. Is this practice, right?
And TV.
Well, let's get to it.
Yeah.
Bang bang.
Hey, what's up, guys? Ryan Bros here.
Yep, get it? Because Mario Bros.
And today we will be working on build 21 of the Nintendo Entertainment System. We'll be done after this. I'm Liam, this is Connor, and this is Harrison. Let's get to it. finally finished the entire set.
Yeah.
Everybody should show what one thing it does. I'll show that this, it will play the Mario chords.
Yeah.
And I'll show that this bends.
And I'll show that
Show this.
this has the warning sticker on it.
The clicker. Hey, turn the channel.
That thing.
Oh yeah, and the channel thing.
Wait, turn it.
Yeah. Shh. Yeah, thanks.
I mean, I was talking about this too.
Oh yeah, and then yeah, there's that too.
This plugs in. Now somebody show this side and somebody shows this. The game.
The game.
Look at this awesome side.
No,
Yeah, you
pull
plug
it
it in right
No,
here.
pull it out.
Because you're fine.
Oh yeah, you
Just-
pull it out like that too.
yeah, just
I forgot
saying.
about that.
You pull it out and then there'll be a little set inside. This little Mario set. And then Harrison, you show that there's a game inside.
There's a Mario game.
Of course. Like that.
Super
Alright.
Mario Brothers.
Yeah, get over there and say bye.
Wait, so you can.
Come on.
And
So
that's it. Yeah.
Yay! Bye!
Nobody can see you. Get back in there.
So let's play.
Bye bye the ghost from
Nobody
heaven.
can see you.
That's the 8-bit channel.
Bye bye the ghost of heaven.
Bye. We'll play the game. Bye.
All right, we are finally done. Holy smokes. This thing took forever just with our busy life and our crazy life. So thank you if you've been a part of this channel since the beginning and have been kind of watching these videos. I think the first one I posted literally was a year ago or a little over a year ago. But Christmas break this year, we had a mission, we had a goal, we got it done. So I hope you enjoyed it. Lots of funny outtakes that you know, I'll be sharing and I've put in front of all the other videos and stuff. So just a lot of fun, really cool experience. So excuse me, thank you again. And with that, the Lego NES build of 2122 has come to an end. We'll chat later.
Oh,
The
anyway.
other way.
Doesn't go backwards.
Wait.
I don't think it's working.
No. You're not spinning it the right way.
Thanks for telling me.
Dun,
You
dun,
come over
dun,
here.
jump. Dun, 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 dun. Hit the Goomba.